This is Sheba with my 25th edition. This edition is indeed a milestone in my lockdown mantra journey, and who better to dedicate it than to all my children, both in my home and all who have walked into my life. Isn't it wonderful that today is both Children's Day and Diwali? With them around, sparks of fire truly fly around. Without them, our lives become empty and dark. Looking back in time, I'm sure to many their childhood was the best time of their lives. You could do crazy things and get away with it. You laughed your heart out even when you failed. You cried over the most stupid things, and yet you were reassured that it's going to be okay. And you really believed that the best things in life were on its way. One of the reasons I chose to be a teacher was because I loved being with children. Their spontaneity and enthusiasm is quite infectious. They love challenges, and over the years, I have witnessed the magic they created when they went beyond what was asked of them. They have unquantified energy and always seem to be on the move. They love playing and pull you from your lazy mode or stressed mental state to have fun and enjoy life again. They love to question, and the level of questioning takes different forms and tones over the years. In the early years, why was one of their favorite words. They keep questioning you even after you've run out of answers. Then they search for answers by experimenting on their own. The moment you hear quietness, you know there's trouble brewing. As they grow older, their questionings will be over their freedom and choices. And when we reach adulthood, we end up questioning ourselves and never finding even one answer. As adults, we often reach out to them when they are hurt. But when we are hurt, they truly sense it. They hug and comfort us in a way that no words can quite describe it. And you know the best part of childhood that I miss? Eating with joy. You could have ice cream melting down your fingers and lick it all the way up. You could chew and relish on chocolate wrappers as much as you love the chocolate. You could gorge on anything you like and spit out what you didn't like and get away with it. Now, as adults, most grimly nibble on healthy and calorie conscious food. There are a million things to learn from children, but so often we make the mistake to indoctrinate them on our beliefs. A child easily makes friendships and loves without inhibition. They never see the tag of money, color, skin, or any other. Somewhere along the way, we tell them who to stay away from and what is good for them. They showed us it's okay to fall down and then to stand up and run forward with renewed enthusiasm. They gave us the true meaning of never give up. Each time they exasperated us by doing the same mistake over and over again, especially when the whole world tells them not to do it. Oh, I could go on. Live, laugh, and love like a child and brighten up the world with your light. Happy Diwali and Children's Day to each one of you.